The TLDR of this video is that not all LEDs are created equal, and you should buy the IKEA LED because it will save you a staggering amount of money over your lifetime. Your lifespan is also 46% longer than higher end LED lights, so you have to replace them less often. These are great for your home and a steal if you're a landlord or a business owner. So if you know anyone that would benefit from this video, share it with them and subscribe. And stop buying compact fluorescents and incandescent lights because an IKEA LED will pay for itself in as little as 2 months. If you want to find out why the IKEA LEDs are so great, I'll go over their efficiency, lifespan, cost per year, electrical usage, and at the end, we'll go over how much money you're giving away to manufacturers and your electric supplier. The IKEA bulb has an efficiency of 140 lumens per watt, which is a measure of light output to energy consumed to produce that light. The compact fluorescent and eco-incandescent are in last place with less than 70. If you do not get the IKEA LED, then go for an LED with an efficiency of 100 lumens per watt or more. The IKEA LED dominates the bulb life criteria with a 46% longer lifespan than most of the LEDs on the list, with almost 22,000 hours of runtime. In first place, again, is the IKEA bulb with only 10.4 kilowatt hours used per year if the bulb is on for 5 hours per day. The EcoSmart 847 is in second place with almost 13 kilowatt hours, which represents a 23% increase in energy consumption. The cost of electricity and the bulb over its life comes to $1.98 per year for one IKEA LED at the national average of 17 cents per kilowatt hour, while the other LEDs can reach up to $3.22, and it's more than double for a CFL. If your electricity prices are 35 cents or more, then you need to invest in the IKEA LED. I did, and I'm extremely happy with them. If you have 20 of these in your home, a regular LED can cost you an extra $20 per year, and for a lot of people, that can be a whole hour of work or more that you are giving away for free. The CFL is costing you an extra $55 and the eco-incandescent is costing you an extra $282 a year. I thought I only had CFLs in my home, but I found 7 regular incandescent light bulbs, so you may want to check because they are expensive to run. Let's say you had a middle-of-the-road LED like the EcoSmart 726 and switched to the IKEA LED. It would save you $125 per light over 40 years if you put your savings into a savings account at 4% interest. It would mean a savings of $360 for a CFL and $1,800 for an incandescent. If your electricity is more expensive, then the cost just goes up from there. If you have 20 of these lights, then you'll save over $2,600 compared to an average LED, over $7,000 compared to a CFL, and over $36,000 compared to an incandescent. The savings are ridiculous if you still have incandescents in your home. And they may not be millions of dollars, but it's money you're giving away for free. Please recycle your old CFL lights rather than throwing them away. They contain a toxic metal called mercury. There's a link to a recycling center locator in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.